Alright, I just woke up right now. It's the second day of camping, and apparently breakfast is ready. I don't even know what's for breakfast, but I'm excited. Look what I'm making. Some boiled strawberries. I tried one. I roasted a marshmallow. I roasted a strawberry once and it was pretty good. So I'm hoping this will be good. Right now we're all packed up. We're about to go. I didn't film a lot because I only had one camera battery, so I was afraid, if I used it all, then I wouldn't be able to film the next day. But it turns out I still have like half of a battery left. So I kind of wish I would have filmed a little more, but we're having chili dogs for lunch with a good old cherry 7-Up. I spilled a little in my pants, but that's fine. So cool.
I saw Lee seem to pass us and
Goodbye,
then come
campground.
back.
Yep. Okay, so we just took a hike, but I knew it was going to be a long one, so I didn't film it because I didn't want to be carrying a camera around. But you see this map? Look, we started here. We went whoop, zoop, 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 zoop. That's why I didn't want to take a heavy camera. Alright, so it's quite a bit later now. Everybody's cleaned up. Look at all the laundry. And half of the stuff we didn't even use. We're just washing it because, that stinky smoke smell from the campfire. But yeah, I think my mom's got quite a bit of work to do.